The Finer Things Club. Oscar is frantically arranging candles in his apartment. Lucy walks in without knocking.
Oscar, you look stressed. Did you sleep at all?
No time for sleep. Tonight's Finer Things Club must be perfect.
Yes. About tonight's meeting.
What? Is someone not coming? Please tell me everyone confirmed. I've prepared a multimedia experience inspired by Valdoro's Inferno.
Yikes, that sounds like a nightmare.
It's art. I have 9 circles represented by different wines and cheeses.
Oscar, your apartment has 2 rooms. Where are these 9 circles?
I've been very creative with the space. The bathroom represents the 8th circle.
Nobody wants to eat cheese in your bathroom.
It's symbolic. You wouldn't understand the deeper meaning.
Oscar lights another candle. The smoke alarm starts beeping loudly.
No, no, no. This is a disaster.
Just open a window. Problem solved.
But the ambiance. The mood is ruined.
Lucy opens the window and fans away the smoke with a magazine.
By the way, I invited my book club to join tonight.
What? Your book club? They read beach novels.
They're excited to discuss Valdoro. Sandra thinks he wrote The Mystery of Angels.
This is worse than the smoke alarm. My reputation.
Oscar, variety in your social circle could be refreshing. Trust me, it'll be fun.
Fun? Art isn't supposed to be fun. It's supposed to make you suffer beautifully.
You will get used to the noise. User. Used.
Got. Get. Used.
I just finished watching a scary movie about monsters that live under people's beds. Yikes, I don't think I'll be able to sleep tonight.
I got used to the winter here after a few years. Gate. Got. Going to the dentist really stresses me out.
My son needs to get used to his new room. He hates sleeping alone. Used. Going shopping on Saturday is a nightmare.
Get. Used.
Driving with my dog is a nightmare. He's afraid of being in a car. When I moved to a new state, I had to stop 50 times so he could get out.
The trip's going to be a nightmare. Can't we cancel it? The trip's going to be a nightmare. Can't we cancel it?
Going to the dentist really stresses me out.